Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the biggest smartphone rumors of the years, the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Tons of leaks are circulating online, and today we are breaking them down in a simple and clear way so anyone can understand what's coming. Let's go. So Samsung hasn't officially announced the Galaxy S26 yet, but leaks are already everywhere online from hands on images to videos and design rumors. In fact, some sources say the camera design might look a little different compared to the earlier models. Instead of flat camera lenses, leaks suggest the S26 Ultra might have a raised camera island, similar to what we saw on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's mean the camera might stick out more than before. Hands-on leaks show the S26 and S26 Ultra in what appears to be real-life dummy units, giving us a sneak peek at what the phone could look like before the official launch. From these images, both models look very Samsung-like, familiar slab design with slightly curved edges. But the biggest difference seems to be the camera layout. On the back, this time their placement is same, but there is a huge bump. Now, let's talk about the specs. Rumors says the Galaxy S26 could pack either Samsung's new Exynos 2600 chip in some regions or the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in others. Both chips are expected to be powerful, with improved in speed, battery efficiency, and graphics compared to last year. But Samsung hasn't confirmed which model will get which chip yet. Besides design and performance leaks, there are a few more things floating around. Possible large screen on some model like the base S26 might get a bigger display. Rumors of wireless charging update like native QI2 support, enhanced AI features and assistant tools being tested already. While none of these are confirmed yet, they do show Samsung may be focusing on software and usability improvements, not just raw hardware state. So, when will all of this become official? Rumor timelines point to the early 2026 launch, likely in the end of Jan or the beginning of February, with sales starting soon after. Of course, Samsung hasn't confirmed any of this yet, so take everything with a grain of salt. Leaks can change and some details might turn out to be wrong. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. And let me know in the comments below what are you most excited to see in the Galaxy S26. See you in the next one.